And we're getting some breaking news coming in. SAD leader Bikram Majithia has been arrested in Punjab. Majithia arrested in illegal assets case. The Vigilance Department and the Punjab Cops raided Majithia's house, and the Punjab Vigilance Bureau has arrested Akali leader and former State Minister Bikram Singh Majithia in Amritsar after registering a fresh case against him. He's accused of allegedly possessing assets disproportionate to his known sources of income. Kamaljeet Sandhu joins me live on this story. Kamaljeet, the Vigilance Bureau has arrested Bikram Majithia in this assets case. What more do we know?
This is the second time around in a couple of years that Bikram Majithia has been arrested. First time it was in 2022. This time this is 2025. But let me tell you, Bikram Majithia had been all guns blazing just ahead of Ludhiana by-polls, which was won by Aam Aadmi Party. But meanwhile, there seems to be an action coming in. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party says this is a big action as far as the big fish in drugs cases are involved. As a matter of fact, Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo, was heard saying that no matter who has big connections, the big fish will be behind bars. So in that particular sense, but meanwhile, the Shrimani Akali Dal leader, who has been backed by several of the other party leaders, including Sukhpal Khair of the Congress Party, who have called this a political vendetta. So what we can tell you is that a case has been registered. What we've been told is just about last evening, last night. This is regarding disproportionate asset, and the level of allegation is that the earnings is through illegal means. Many also associating the old drugs case of Majithia being linked with this one. So over 24 locations were raided in and across not just Amritsar but in Punjab, and even his Chandigarh residence where he used to stay with his wife Ganeef Kaur. Remember, this is where Aam Aadmi Party has been called out by Shrimani Akali Dal. They're saying this is politics of vendetta because remember, as far as several of the land pooling policies are concerned, the Akali Dal leader, particularly Bikram Majithia, has been very vocal about it, saying this is also at a time of, when post Ludhiana by-polls, there's a celebration in the Aam Aadmi Party, but that's when they've chosen the timing to arrest Bikram Majithia. He will be produced in the Mohali court. Subsequently, he'll be taken into custody. But yes, all guns blazing and coming at a point of time where perhaps people thought things were settling down. Politics were obviously going to take a break just post Ludhiana by-polls.
Okay.
But it's never over in politics because remember, the Aam Aadmi Party has sent the Vigilance Bureau team, which has cracked down on the leader, arresting him. There was a bit of a scuffle. Remember, video recordings done by Bikram Majithia. He put it on his social media sites, the X, Facebook and everything. And after the confrontation, what we also saw was several Akali leaders and workers marching towards his residence in Amritsar. So several supporters coming in behind, putting weight behind Bikram Majithia. But meanwhile, the Aam Aadmi Party is saying this is a big crackdown, especially on their campaign against war against drugs. So yes, politics at an all-time high. A former minister, relative of Sukhbir Badal, now facing time behind bar, and obviously a case of Vigilance Bureau and a case of disproportionate asset against Bikram Majithia.
Kamaljeet, Arvind Kejriwal has taken a shot at Majithia, saying that nobody who is a criminal, whoever कितना भी बड़ा नेता हो, उसको बख्शा नहीं जाएगा. जो मंत्री रहते हुए गाड़ियों में इंटरनेशनल ड्रग डीलर्स को लेकर घूमते थे, उन्हें भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा. केजरीवाल and the Aam Aadmi Party clearly connecting this to the narcotics haul issues cases in Punjab. With the politics that's going on, what are you seeing on the ground?
Now, remember, Arvind Kejriwal's statement is very much out there where he's talking about going after the big guns, the big fish. But there is also statements coming in from the likes of Daljit Cheema, Harsimrat Badal. So Bikram Majithia is a brother of Harsimrat Badal. So the support is coming in, and obviously it comes at a point of time where the Akali Dal chips are particularly down. They have lost polls one after the other. There's also about a case of drugs against Bikram Majitia. He was arrested way back in 2022. But meanwhile, the SIT had questioned the leader several times, calling him to Patiala. Meanwhile, the matter also went to Supreme Court. He's saying that he's being troubled by the Aam Aadmi Party government. But meanwhile, he presented himself. But this is a case of disproportionate asset. Now, the onus and responsibility will be on the Vigilance Bureau. Many also saying that the chiefs of Vigilance Bureau have changed one after the other. The last week, SPS Pamar, who was also changed in. It was Nageshwar Rao earlier. Then there were others as well. So they're saying there's a lot of political pressure being put on these Vigilance Bureau directors who are then forced to act, and especially against the political opponents. But here it is a case, but remember it's the court of law. So obviously whatever findings they are, whatever interrogation has to be done, the respite would obviously coming in from the court. But meanwhile, it seems the action has now been taken. He's been arrested, will be produced in the court, and this is obviously an Achilles heel as far as Shiromani Akali Dal is concerned.
All right, Kamaljeet, stay on with me.